Hi. Today I wanna compare SM9 and then Olivetti Studio 44 or Underwood 21 because someone asked me almost 1 month ago. I forgot. So someone asked first, weight. Which one is more weight, more or less? Another question is size. Which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? And then overall, which one is better? For touchy, I guess for touchy, right? Yeah. So that's why today's focus. But prefer this video, I check a couple things. I found several difference depending on the where it was made because there are several versions. For example, this is Studio 44, right? There are some made in Italy, some made in Spain. These two made in Spain. I have another down made in Italy. I'll compare all together. Also, this one is SM9 for early version, and then I have another SM9 second version. So also I compare together. So first, this one, this both is I guess this one is 1964 manufacturers. This one is 1968, 4 year different. Even though these two, this one exactly same, right? On the other, but weight is different. Both made in Spain. See, first this one. Look at this one first. I put here right now. 15 ounce 12. I mean 15 pound 12 ounce, right? For this one, little bit change the center. Little bit, yeah. So this is a more correct. 15 pound 14 ounce, right? This one is made in Spain, but even though same, I switch this one with this one, okay? Yeah, I switched this one, right? Exactly same brand, same factory they made, but this one is 15 pound 9 ounce, little bit lighter, right? This one. And then I switched another one. Now I put under the 21, right? The center. This is made in Italy. See, this one is over 16 pound. Little bit heavier, this one, right? Now it's Olympia Olivetti SM9 early version. Okay. It's like brand new. It was manufactured 1968. Little bit younger than me. This one is 15 pound 8 ounce, right? Yeah. So the lighter one for Olivetti Studio 44, same, right? Compared to the light one, it's the same, right? Yeah. Okay. And then now I am put Olympia SM9 second version. Okay. Same thing. It looks like a brand new. Very clean. It's 15 pound 10 ounce. So almost same together, right? Yeah. So depending on the individual, I can say same weight. So SM9 and then Olivetti 44, almost same weight. It's individually little bit different. So we can say, yeah, almost same weight. For size, of course, size is SM9 is much smaller. See, this size is almost same. This, but this is totally different. It's like 12 inch, right? Almost 12 inch. Here, almost 12 inch. This is the pattern around here. It's like same thing. The including the knob, it's a 13 inch, but without knob, just the top position, it's less than 12 inch, right? Yeah. So Oli version same. I think Oli version exactly, yeah, same. Then let's see the here, the 12. See, yeah, exactly same. And then now let's measure the Olivetti 44. For this length, it's much longer than SM line, right? The SM line, like almost 12 inch, right? But this one, it's almost 15 inch, right? And then this part, I think is the same, and then including knob, I think it's the same. But height, let's see. There's a little bit over 5. This one, height, let's see. Less than 5. So this height is yeah, depending on the feed. So without feed, so less than 5 inch. This one, less than 5 inch. Yeah, without feed, if does not count the bottom line feed, it's from here to here, height is almost same from here to here, but the Olympia feed is more, see, this one is more thicker, so that's why including the feed, this is a little bit higher. But let's see, the Studio 44, this one is a little bit lower, thin, and this one is a little bit thicker, right? A little bit thicker. So without that, almost a little bit over 4. Over 4. This one is a little bit taller. Yeah. So this size, bottom size, is closer to the 12 inch. This one closer to the 12 inch, right? 11.5 maybe. This one 11.7. So a little bit wider than accurate, more accurate, little bit wider this one, this side. This side is yeah, lateral, little bit lateral. See, yeah. As you saw, the size is this one is smaller. Weight is I guess it's depending on the individual. Some is a little bit this one way more, but most of them it's almost same. Also, the depending on the factory, Spain, Italy one is a little bit way more. So I guess we can say same. And then the yeah shape. Someone recommended this one more. We can concentrate on the typing because this is a little bit height, but I guess it's almost same. Yeah, very little bit height this size. So that means we can more concentrate on this part because this is black. Someone mentioned like that, but I'm not sure. Also, in the top 10 typewriter for the lighters, this one someone recommended the number one. I have this model is a 4. I have this model 9, but just one out of 9, actually 10. Out of 10, just one is a little bit harder, and then last line is very good. But this one, I don't know. It's a 4 model. I have a 4, or little bit harder. This touch. So I can say the touch. This is more light and then soft. This one is a little bit more harder. So looks like this close to the desktop. This one is a medium size, really a portable, medium portable size. But this one more closer to the desktop because the size is, as you can see, the different, right? Yeah. But I like this one and then this one. There is a reason because both is a script, the cursive typeface. I show you, okay? I typed. Beautiful, right? And then this is Studio 44. And then it's early version. Yeah. So beautiful, right? Yeah. I think feeling, especially these two, I don't know why, but better than other one. I think because it has the cursive typeface, the previous owner maybe keep more decent, maybe. That's why I have a 4, right? But this one is touch is a little bit better than other one. But SM9 I have 10, but 9 is almost same. Very good. So in general, I can recommend the SM9 little bit better than this one. But again, this is more like someone, as mentioned, more like a desktop, more we can more concentrate on the typing. But it's also the personal opinion, I guess. So I like this one is better. But typeface, just for typeface, this one a little bit more cursive, right? Yeah. Yeah, for, I don't know, very close. All right. Well, anyway, overall, I can go. This is like a 5.2. This one 4.8. All right. Thank you for watching.